Welcome back to the Blackwell House Country Kitchen. We're continuing on with our Valentine's meal and we're cooking pan-fried spiced duck breast. The first job is actually trimming the duck breast, and I've one already prepared, and we just simply turn the duck breast onto the skin side down, and you're wanting to remove any of the skin or the fat that you can see. You'll find that you have a lovely duck breast and you don't have a lot of fat. We're then going to score the skin with a sharp knife, and just be careful not to cut too deeply. Now, it's important to score the skin because this allows the fat to ease out while you're cooking your duck breast. I'm going to sprinkle the skin with a little salt. This again helps to make the duck breast skin nice and crispy. Turning the duck breast over, we're going to sprinkle this with a little cayenne pepper, a little sprinkle of salt, and then a sprinkle of black pepper. I have a pan on heating here, and it's heating on a moderate heat. You don't want your pan too hot. And I'm just going to set my duck breasts into the pan, skin side down, and this is a dry pan. You cook the duck breasts very slowly at a low heat, and this allows all of the fat to escape from the duck breast. It means that your skin will be lovely and crispy when you finish cooking. You cook your duck breasts for about 6 minutes, but please test and make sure that you have a lovely golden crisp skin. You then turn your duck breast over and cook it on the other side for around 2 minutes. While the duck breasts are sizzling away, I want to tell you a little bit more about one of the ingredients that I'm going to add into the sauce later on. Now, Harnett's oils have been about for a long time. This is a family business and it's situated in the 𝑦𝒂𝒔𝒕 estate, just down the road from here actually. With this particular oil that I'm using, with garlic and chilli in, it saves you having to chop your chilli and chop your garlic clove, because when you add oil with the flavouring in, it means that it's saving you a lot of time and you've all the flavour. So I'm just going to turn the duck over, and I'm literally just going to cook it for 2 minutes on this side and then wrap it in tin foil and place them in an oven at about 120 degrees centigrade and let them cook for 6 minutes. If you like your duck breast pink inside, if you want it well done, cook it for about 8 minutes. We first of all drain off the fat, and just look at how much fat has come out of the duck breasts. We put our pan back onto the heat, and then we add 1 tablespoon of honey, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of sweet sherry. We also add 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup and half a teaspoon of ginger. Now, be careful you don't add too much ginger because it's a very strong flavour. Into this, we're going to put a tablespoon of the Harnett's garlic and chilli oil, and also 100 millilitres of chicken stock. And we're just going to let that cook from 2 to 4 minutes until the sauce coats the back of a spoon. So the duck's ready to come out of the oven now, and I'm just going to leave it sitting for about 4 minutes to rest. And I actually think my sauce is ready now too. I'm just going to have a wee taste. I think it needs a wee squeeze of lime juice. That is beautiful. Now you can see it coats the back of the spoon beautifully. The duck breast has been resting now, and it looks ready. So we'll just take one of them out. Now this is when it actually helps to have asbestos hands. And using a sharp knife, we're just going to slice our duck breast. Arrange this on the plate, and you can see that the duck breast is just pink, and that's just how I like it. But remember, if you like yours well cooked, just give it another 2 to 4 minutes in the oven. To finish off, we're going to spoon some of this delicious sauce. I just wish you could smell this. To accompany the duck breast, I have chosen to make some mashed sweet potato, and into the mash I have popped some chopped spring onions, some parsley, a garlic clove crushed, some butter and some crème fraîche. Obviously you season this with salt and pepper, and it is absolutely delicious. There we are. On top of your sweet potato, you just finish this off with a little spoonful of crème fraîche, a sprinkle of spring onions, and a little drizzle of the Harnett's chili and garlic oil. To finish the plate off, you want something extra special for Valentine's night. So I have made some little vegetable parcels, and we have some carrot and some green beans. And there you have your beautiful breast of duck, spiced up with some honey, soy, and of course, Harnett's chili and garlic oil.